What's up, fellow viewer? Quick cue for you. As you're perusing the interwebs and looking at these calisthenics videos, do you ever think to yourself, man, I wish I could do that? Fret no more, young searcher, because I'm going to help you add a skill under your belt. No, hold on, wait. Boo. Okay. Before you jump right into this skill, which may be new for you, be sure to either warm up and even ask yourself, hey, do I really want to learn this skill? Because that can be the determining factor between a fun skill, which I think personally, my biased opinion, is a fun skill to work towards and learn, versus a working skill, which, if you're into working and being stressed and being all that side of stuff, by all means, go for it. But I just thought I would forewarn you. Back to the video. So, quick backstory on my calisthenics journey. The front lever felt like one of many skills that was only achievable by superhuman beings with the best genetics, the best bone structure. Me, on the other hand, being a tall guy, and being a little bit on the heavier side, I couldn't even do a pull-up, let alone convince my entire body that, oh yeah, horizontal is the way to go, man. Frustrating. Yes. So I know the taste of frustration. Enter the power of progressions. The more fun I had, the more I felt good about myself, to the point where I couldn't believe that I was doing it. But then I would get distracted and not continue, and you know how it goes. Hey, I come back, I say. Hey, you. I still need you for the rest of the video. Come on. Get your act together. Here's a quick breakdown of what will be coming next for this front tuck lever. Before even attempting the front tuck lever, you gotta have your foundation down solid. So that will require to aim for around 5 to 8 clean pull-ups, no kipping, little pause at the top, hanging at the bottom, as you will see in a minute. This squat rack type pull-up bar, it's a little bit tricky, but I still have room to put my feet in front of me, working that hollow bottom position. Again, this is to get everything in line for that clean, aesthetic looking pull-up. If for whatever reason pull-ups just don't agree well with your body, you can always opt to go for a chin-up type of variation, as I'm demonstrating here. Work your way up to the same repetitions. Just another alternative for y'all. All right, the second prerequisite is 10 to 12 bodyweight rows, focusing on your back muscles. As you can see by the footage, they need some work. Not gonna lie, they need some work, but it should ideally mimic as if you have a weight and you're pulling towards your hip line. If for whatever reason you don't have a pull-up bar, no worries, I got you covered. My dog getting into the shot as if this is an everyday occurrence. He just wants pets. So with this row, you can use your feet for more assistance, but as you get better, you can make it harder by extending your feet out. Do what you can and getting after it for repetitions. For the rows as well, if you want to, at your discretion. I don't want no ouchies because of this, but if you're light enough or you have a thick enough pole or stick or lumber lying around, you can set it DIY style, either on top of chairs or on the seat here. 2 chairs, like that, lengthwise, and get your pull on that way. Just be mindful of that. I'm not encouraging this because yours truly has bent some mop poles in the past, and yeah, it's not fun landing on your rear end. All right, time for the nitty gritty of the tuck front lever forum. Here's what you need to focus on. The grip. A comfortable overhand grip as shown. Slightly wider than shoulder width or shoulder width, whatever you're comfortable with. Imagine bending the bar. For my motorcycle lovers, you want to be revving that handle, that action. You want to feel lock, solid, immovable. Start right, finish right. All right, moving on to the shoulders. You want to be in an active position, not passive, but active. The second variation is a little bit advanced, but you're really using that squeezing the bar motion. I'm really cranking my back backwards and locking it into a semi lever position. Just that action. I needed a little bit of a rest, checking my notes and everything, making sure that I'm going in order for you guys because I care about y'all. All right, next up, you want to be tucked, almost as if you're ouchie, that type of positioning. You want to be in a tight ball. Go where you can, wherever your body allows, and then next day or next session, you get better. That's how it goes. Getting a better angle, side profile of the tuck so you can see better. My back could be straighter in these, but again, we're getting better by the day, slowly but surely. As for the arms, moving on, you want to keep them locked in position as best you can, really pulling down. You don't want bent elbows or arms. Helps keep everything in line, and there's less work that way. Checking my notes to see what's next. Lastly, try to keep your body in one line as best you can. Not overarching, not going the other way either. It has to be perfectly horizontal. Squeeze the butt for more activation to help keep that back from going too crooked. And you're well on your way to get that tuck front lever. Step-by-step progressions. Playtime. What I'm doing right now is called the inverted hang. No sets, no reps. Pro suggestion, listen to your body. The goal for this is just to get comfortable in the inversion or being upside down. It can be active, it can be passive. Just go with the flow. See what your body is telling you. Take a little bit of a rest. Next one up is tuck ups. So using that inverted or upside down hang, try to pull your knees towards your chest and then or towards the bar. If you're feeling extra, back down with control. However repetitions you want to do. This exercise can also serve to help get your back flip, but we're keeping things intermediate here. So don't worry. I don't show it here, but the third variation is called the assisted tuck front lever holds. So you can use a resistance band looped over the top to hold your body in position, or if you have a close buddy next to you or with you, they can assist you by holding and keeping you up in the tuck position. That just adds a little bit of resistance or help if you need it. But that being said, fourth, keeping that tuck. This is the tuck front lever negative. So just like the tuck ups, this time you're focusing on slowly, as best you can, come down without rushing it. It's a toughie, but it will help you with getting the feel for this tuck front lever, where you're just holding in a horizontal position. As shown here, as best I can using the previous tips, getting up there and then coming down and just hanging out for as long as you can. Hopefully not plopping down too hard. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1 being shrugging those shoulders. This disengages your lats and puts stress on your shoulder joints. Why? Why would you do that to your body? No. Next on the list is bending your elbows or arms in this tuck. It's just more work on your joints, and it makes the hold that much harder. Number 3 on the list is excessive back arching. We're not trying to look like Bray Wyatt. This can lead to lower back pain and can be an indicator that you need to work on that core, engaging that core. Lastly, rushing the movement. It's alright to get pumped and psyched to do this new skill, but we're looking for control and proper form over speed. No ouchies allowed. Recap. Grip the bar firmly, slightly wider than shoulder width. Engage those lats, pull those shoulder blades down and back. With control, invert and bring your knees tightly towards your chest. Keep those arms straight. Feel the engagement in your back and core. Then hold as long as you can, maintaining good form. And then when you're tired, can't do no more, control that descent back down. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Hey, as you saw in the video, I'm still learning this skill. I'm not quite there and comfortable for the front lever, but consistency, That's the main thing. I would recommend you do this 2 to 3 times a week. Don't sacrifice that technique. If you need rest, relax, chill. The skill is not going anywhere. Progress gradually. Little by little. It's the little steps that count. I want to hear from you. Have you tried the tuck before? Have I brought some new insight? Do I need some insight? I'm open to it if you want to say a few stuff about that. If you found this video helpful, as always, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, because you likes, share with a fellow enthusiast of wanting to try something new. Until next time.